Security forces recovered 3 unexploded bombs from paddy fields in Pagokchau Ikai, Mamang Likai and Torbung areas after a heavy attack by Kuki militants last evening. During the attack, which occurred around 8:30 p.m., Kuki militants indiscriminately fired numerous rounds of bullets and mortar shells from a nearby hilltop in Torbung Sabal Maning Likai and Pagokchau Ikai, targeting Meitei settlement areas. The attack stopped at around 8:50 p.m. after central forces retaliated and engaged in cross-firing. No casualties were reported, but the situation remains tense with additional security personnel deployed in the area. It may be mentioned that around 389 Meitei internally displaced persons, IDPs, belonging to 97 families, had just returned to their original homes at Torbung and nearby areas on December 15. When a combined team of central forces and state forces took stock of the situation this morning, they recovered 3 unexploded bombs from the paddy fields in Torbung and Pagokchau Ikai area. Locals also discovered multiple craters created by bomb explosions in paddy fields and nearby residences, besides several houses being bullet-ridden.